Today, I want to explore the intriguing world of ortholinear keyboards. If you're in the market for a new keyboard or simply curious about the latest trends in tech accessories, you've come to the right place. So let's explore what ortholinear keyboards are, their benefits, drawbacks, and whether you should consider getting one. An ortholinear keyboard, unlike the staggered layout we're all accustomed to, arranges its keys in a perfect grid. This design isn't just for aesthetics, it's about efficiency and ergonomics. If you've ever used a numpad, you've experienced an ortholinear layout. These keyboards have been around for a while, but have recently gained more attention for the unique approach to typing. So, why are traditional keyboards staggered? This design dates back to mechanical typewriters, where the arrangements help prevent the mechanical insides of the typewriter from jamming. This layout stuck around through the evolution of typewriters to computers, mainly to maintain consistency and ease of transition between the old and new devices. The main pitch for ortholinear keyboards is their potential ergonomic benefits. Proponents of these keyboards argue that the straight up and down motion required for typing on those keyboards is more natural and can reduce wrist strain. Additionally, users of these keyboards report improvements in typing speed and accuracy. These keyboards often come in compact designs, maintaining large keycaps, which might contribute to their appeal among typists. However, ortholinear keyboards are not without their challenges. The biggest hurdle for new users is the learning curve. If you're accustomed to traditional keyboards, adapting to the ortholinear layout can feel like taking a step back in your typing proficiency. Plus, these keyboards often lack some keys found on standard keyboards, making them less suitable for general computing tasks. One solution to the wrist angle issue some of these keyboards have is a split ortholinear keyboard. This design divides the keyboard into two halves, allowing for a more natural hand and wrist position. If you're interested in trying out an ortholinear keyboard, there are several notable options on the market. The ErgoDex Easy Ergonomic Keyboard is not strictly ortholinear, rather it has a columnar layout that offers similar ergonomic benefits, customizable to your liking with various switches and keycaps. The ZSA Voyager, a travel-friendly split low-profile ortholinear keyboard designed for minimal space usage, featuring hot swappable keys and a customizable layout. The Keychron Q10 Alice 75%, a semi-ortholinear option that blends traditional and ortholinear designs, offering angled keys for natural finger movement and a split design for optimal wrist positioning. The ZSA Moonlander Mark I, similar to the Voyager but with a focus on stationary use, featuring one-handed operation capabilities and customizable layouts. Before you jump on the ortholinear bandwagon, consider the investment. These keyboards can be pricey, and their unique layout might not suit everyone. Try to test one in person or find a returnable option to make sure it's the right fit for you. Ortholinear keyboards offer an interesting alternative to traditional designs, with potential ergonomic benefits and a focus on customization. But they're not a one-size-fits-all solution, and the transition can take some time getting used to. See you next time.